In the previous lesson, we split up search component. In this lesson, we will split this main section which renders the list of information. Let's call it table component. Let me create a table component first without moving all this data from here so that it is easier for us to see, and then I will create a component and move this away soon. Looking at this block of code, we can see that we need to pass list, search term, and remove item as props to the table component. We don't need to pass isSearched function because it is outside of the component. Okay, so we can supply list, which means this state list. Then we need search term, which is also coming from the state. And finally, remove item function, which is bind to this class. Now let's move this to its own component, table component. Put inside a single div. Let's remove this comment section. Okay, now all this will not work unless we use props. And this is what we get as props. List, search term, and remove item. Let's also remove this from here. Save it. And it works perfectly fine. So far we split one single component to 3 components, a parent and 2 child. They get data or access functions as props and render the data.